Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to remove suggested files from Google Drive. So first of all, open Drive application on your mobile device. Now under My Drive you can see suggested files for you. Now at the right hand corner of each and every file you can see three dots. So simply tap on those three dots. Now over here scroll down below, and if you tap on the option of remove, now tap on the option of Move to Trash. You will be able to delete that specific suggested file from your Google Drive. You can also tap on the three lines option at the top left corner of your screen and go to Recents. Now over here you can follow the same step by tapping on the three dots beside each and every file, and then scroll down till the bottom, and then if you tap on the option of remove, you will be able to delete that specific file or folder from your Google Drive. And that's it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.